video, we are going to show you a way to preserve deer burger that will last for years. No worries of the electricity going out, no freezer burning. Canning deer burger is the way to go. This is a versatile meat that can be used for chili, tacos, and many other dishes. The possibilities are endless, and every meal is quickly prepared since no thawing is required. First, the meat needs washed and cut into pieces that will fit into the grinder. To make the deer burger fine, grind it twice. The burger needs to be browned before it can be canned. I like to add a little fat to the browned meat. I add tallow or lard, but any choice of oil will work. Stir while browning so the meat does not burn. Once it has been browned, add it to the jars. One teaspoon of salt will need to be added to each jar. Also, a liquid of some sort will need to be added. I add bone broth, but water or cooking liquid will work also. The jar does not have to be completely full of liquid. Make sure to remove all the air bubbles by inserting a knife down the side of the meat. Wipe the jar ring, add a previously simmered lid, and tighten the ring. Put the jars in the canner. Process for 90 minutes at 10 pounds of pressure. Enjoy your harvest and the feeling of accomplishment of harvesting and processing your own meats. Thanks for watching.